I got this oversized brandy snifter at a garage sale about a year ago. I go to garage sales all the time and find really great items. I think I paid about $1 for it. Today I'm going to use it for a terrarium for some really cute little succulents. I'm first going to fill it with some gravel, and this is just some aquarium gravel that I got from the pet store, and ideally it should be charcoal, but I don't have any charcoal right now. I got to get it next time I go to PetSmart, but I think that's about enough. It's just going to be a layer, maybe all of that. Okay, it's just going to be a layer to collect the water and to also look nice. And then I'm going to put some more soil in it. And this is a soil for cactus, special for cactus and other succulents. This is a special mix. It's really dry. It's very light. And then I'm going to place the succulents in the middle here. One is kind of the tallest one. I have 6 here total, so you can see. There you go. This one. And I'm going to start with the tallest one kind of in the middle, and then I'm going to just arrange them kind of by height, and I'm going to make sure that they don't touch the glass. Positioned how I like them. It's hard to keep them away from the glass. So what I'm going to add next is a little bit of gravel just to top them off. I think I got this one at maybe Walmart. I can't really remember. I've had this hobby for quite a while, so I have a lot of materials in my house. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of this floral moss. There you go, so you can see. And this one is really bright green because I just want to fill in a few of the spots. Maybe it's just a little stick or a straw or something just to even out some of the items in here. Okay, I'm gonna have to watch these because succulents really like more airflow, and this also doesn't have drainage, so I'm gonna have to be succulents. But look how pretty they are for just a couple months. It's gonna be really fun to watch them grow. So stay with me because I'm going to do a wreath. It's almost Valentine's Day. I'm gonna do a wreath for Valentine's Day in my next video. I'll see you soon. Thank you.